Qualifying first in the Latin Professional Open, we have couple number 70, Jackson Wang and Xia Ying Ying. Jackson and Ying Ying, ladies and gentlemen. Our second qualifiers are couple number 71, Jakub Dramota and Magdalena Baranovska. Jakub and Magdalena. Our next finalist qualifying is couple number 87, Justin and Amy Sharrock.
I give him all my love, that's all I do. And if you saw my love, you'd love him too. And I love him, and I love him.
Justin and Amy, ladies and gentlemen. Our next finalists are couple number 117, Naoto Nomura and Karen Yamasaki. Oh, Naoto and Karen, ladies and gentlemen. Our next finalists are couple number 181, Yuri Simachev and Olga Kuzmenko. Yuri and Olga. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, couple number 186 is Sheng Jun and Sheng Yasin.
I give him all my love. That's all I do. And if you saw my love, you'd love him too. And I love him. And I love him.
Jun and Yasin, ladies and gentlemen. You've seen all our finalists, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see them all together. Can I have couples number 70, 71, 87, 117, 181, and 186 back on the floor, please? They have 5 dancers to perform for us, ladies and gentlemen, and it is the last 5 of today's championship. So keep your support going throughout the entire event, as they need all the energy that they can get from you. Let's start with the cha-cha-cha.
Cachito, cachito, cachito mío, pedazo de cielo que Dios me dio. Te miro y al fin bendigo, bendigo la suerte de ser tu amor. Me preguntan por qué eres mi cachito y yo siento muy bonito al responder que porque eres de mi vida un pedacito, a quien quiero como a nadie de querer. Cachito, cachito, cachito mío, pedazo de cielo que Dios me dio. Te miro y al fin bendigo, bendigo la suerte de ser tu amor. ¡Vamos!
Oh, that's what they need to hear, ladies and gentlemen. Keep it going now as they move on to their second dance, the samba.
Dimmi quando tu verrai. Dimmi quando, l'anno, il giorno e l'ora in cui forse tu mi bacerai. Ogni istante attenderò fino a quando d'improvviso ti vedrò sorridente accanto a me. Se vuoi dirmi di sì, devi dirlo perché non ha senso per me la mia vita senza te. Dimmi quando tu verrai. Dimmi quando.
Oh, brilliant dancing. Let's calm the mood a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. and allow our finalists to get into the zone for their third dance, the rumba.
No sunshine when he's gone. It's not warm when he's away. There ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and he's always gone too long. Anytime he goes away, wonder this time when he's gone, wonder if he's going to stay. There ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime he goes away, anytime he goes away. I know, 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 I know. Hey, I ought to leave the young thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. Only darkness every day. There ain't no sunshine when he's gone.
Such amazing dancing, wasn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Really puts you in the mood. Asking our finalists to catch their breath, find their spots, and take their positions, please. This is your paso doble. Now, though we're coming up to the last dance of the competitive day, ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, we still have our guest artists coming on the floor after this to give you their final segment of our performances. But meanwhile, for our dancers on the floor, how do we show our appreciation, ladies and gentlemen, and give them your support? This is the last competitive dance of the day, and it's the Professional Open, giving you the jive.
Oh, the shark babe has such teeth, dear, and he shows them pearly white. Just a jackknife has old Mac Heath babe, and he keeps it out of pillows start to spread, and fancy gloves though with old Mac Heath Bay, so there's never a trace of red on the sidewalk. Oh, Sunday morning, don't you know, lies a body just oozing life. Yeah, someone sneaking around the corner.
Oh! Dancing out of this world, ladies and gentlemen, from our finalists of the Latin Professional Open.